In this exclusive unboxing and hands-on experience, we dive into the Realme GT7 Dream Edition, born from an electrifying collaboration with the Aston Martin Formula 1 team. From the moment you open the box to the instant the screen lights up, this phone screams speed, precision, and luxury. In just 3 minutes, we'll give you a first look at the premium packaging, the design that echoes the spirit of a Formula 1 car, and our initial impressions on performance, feel, and aesthetics. Speed, precision, luxury. Welcome to the Realme GT7 Dream Edition, crafted in partnership with the Aston Martin F1 Team. In this video, we're unboxing this powerhouse and giving you a hands-on look at one of the boldest smartphone launches of the year. Let's jump in. The box itself feels premium, deep matte black finish with a slick silver Aston Martin logo etched across the front. It's not just a box, it's a statement. Right on top, the GT7 Dream Edition, wrapped in soft satin protection. Beneath, we find the essentials: a 100-watt Super Dart fast charger, USB-C cable, premium Aston Martin Edition case, documentation, and a SIM ejector tool shaped like a race car spoiler. Subtle touches, big impact. The body is a fusion of metal and carbon-textured matte glass, sleek, race car-inspired lines along the edges. The green-tinted frame and yellow accents scream Aston Martin. It's light in hand, yet solid, just like a finely tuned chassis. Instant on display. AMOLED, 144 Hz, curved edges. It's smooth, like the glide of a car cutting through wind on an open track. And that dynamic wallpaper, inspired by F1 telemetry. Triple camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens, all wrapped in a raised module styled after a car's rear diffuser. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 12GB, LPDDR5X RAM, 512GB, UFS 4.0, storage 5000 mAh battery, plus 100-watt fast charging. Dual stereo speakers, tuned with Dolby Atmos Android 14, with Realme UI 5.0, packed with top-tier specs, tuned for performance, and dressed in Formula 1 DNA. This is not just a phone, it's a flagship redefined. That was your first look at the Realme GT7 Dream Edition. What are your thoughts? Would you daily drive this F1-inspired machine? Drop your comments below and make sure to subscribe for the full review, speed tests, and camera deep dives coming up next. Until then, stay fast, stay bold.